How to get a Google Voice number. First of all, open the Google Voice app on your device or go to voice.google.com and sign in with your Google account. If you are already signed in, it will show your account automatically. Next, tap on the settings icon at the top right. Under account section, tap on Get a Number button. You will see a search bar where you can enter your city, area code or desired location to see available Google Voice numbers. Browse through the list of available numbers and choose the one that works best for you. Once you find the number you like, tap Select to continue. Google Voice will then prompt you to verify an existing phone number. This step is important because it allows Google Voice to forward calls and text to your device. Enter your mobile number and complete the verification by inputting the code sent via text. After verification, tap Finish and your new Google Voice number is ready to use. You can now make calls, send text, and manage voicemails directly from the app or website. Now you know how to get a Google Voice number. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.